2019 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.